We are doing a wash of clothes at a laundromat in Sorrento, and it is quite an experience. I'm trying to remember all the steps, but the wash is going. But before you could do anything, you had to put the wash in the drum of the washing machine. But before the program could start, you had to put money into this money central, which looks very complicating. You put the money in, and the washer into which you put the clothes and close the door. Oh, by the way, you had to put €4 in. Once you put the money,